सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Advanced Level, Exercise 10 of Newspaper, Dictation Speed, 60 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand total time 50 minutes. Ready, start. Such is the irony of history that yet another superpower is negotiating its exit from Afghanistan as the war ravaged. Country recently observed the 31st anniversary of the withdrawal of the last Soviet soldier from its soil, full stop, while the Russian forces pulled out in 1989, a decade after invading Afghanistan, it has already been nearly 2 decades since the Americans have been engaged in an unwinnable war. Full stop, roughly, 3,500 American and Allied troops have been killed in a war costing trillions of dollars. Full stop. The US went into Afghanistan in 2001 out of revenge, with little understanding of a land, which is often described as the graveyard of empires. Full stop. The US officials are now engaged in protracted peace negotiations that could bring their soldiers back home. Full stop. But there is still a long way to go before the exit is possible. Full stop. Some of those whom the Americans are negotiating peace with had also fought the Soviets with US support, full stop, hailed then as holy warriors, they drove out the Red Army with the weapons supplied by the US. Full stop. History took another turn when some of them turned their guns on their former patrons. Full stop. Many of those who sat across the table with American officials in Doha are former inmates of the infamous Guantanamo prison. Full stop. For 2 generations, Afghanistan's have only seen wars, and there is little hope that their miseries will end soon, despite some significant progress being made in the peace talks between the US and the Afghan Taliban. Full stop. In a major breakthrough, the two sides have agreed to a temporary truce, raising prospects of a deal that may bring an end to the US war in Afghanistan, full stop. But given the complexities of the Afghan conflict, achieving a workable political settlement may not be so easy. Full stop. If everything goes well, a peace agreement between the US and the Taliban is likely to be signed by the end of this month. That will be followed by intra Afghan talks. Full stop. The format of the talks that is likely to be held in Oslo next month is yet to be finalized. Full stop. Indeed, the possibility of the 18-year long US war coming to an end has never been so close. Full stop. But much will depend on the next phase that would require intra-Afghan negotiations on the post-US withdrawal setup. Full stop. It may not be that easy given the existing political fragmentation in Afghanistan. Full stop. A divided dispensation with various power centers in Kabul makes it extremely difficult to reach a political settlement. Full stop. The prospects of the Ashraf Ghani government, whose legitimacy has been challenged under a controversial election coming up with a coherent position if and when talks with Kabul and the Taliban follow is uncertain. Full stop. The official result of last September's presidential election, which was mired in allegations of rigging, was only announced late last night and has already been contested by Abdullah Abdullah. Stop writing, please.